Welcome. How are you all? I hope all of you doing very well. Children, till date we have learned the vowel sound of vowel A, E and I. So today we will learn a new vowel sound. Which vowel? Yes, it's O. So in a literacy skill sheet book, if you have to open the page number 42. What can you see? There's an owl. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the sound of O. O sounds O, onion, oval, O, O. O sounds O, onion, oval. But sometimes O sounds different as others vowels do. जैसे A sounds A, but sometimes A sounds क्या था याद है आप लोगों को ए का एक साउंड तो ए है दूसरा साउंड क्या था आ समटाइम्स ई साउंड्स नॉर्मली ई साउंड्स ए बट ई साउंड्स ई आई साउंड्स ई बट समटाइम्स आई सेज आई scream similarly o says o o O says O, 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 O. But sometimes O says आ. This owl. हम लोग owl बोलते हैं हम बोलते हैं owl. सिमिलर सभी vowel जैसे अपनी दूसरी sounds है O का भी है. Now in this page color the owl. Then you have to trace two words. Can you see? One is oval, another is onion. Oval shape याद है हम लोगों ने सीखा था एक का शेप होता है oval shape in numeracy. Yes. And onion, everybody knows it is a vegetable that is in Hindi we call प्याज. In English it is onion. Okay. Now in the same book we have to open page number 54. In this page, can you see some words are written? Sound of O. So we have to read this word. For that, I need my brush. In this column, all are og words. Og, 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 og. Dog, dog. Repeat after me. Dog, dog. Log, log. Og, fog. Og, hog. Now I will take next color and I will read this column. These are up words. Up, 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 mop, up, top, up, hop, up, cop. Now another column. Odd words. Ot, hot, ot, pot, ot, dot, ot, cot. Okay. Now another column. Ow, ow, cow, ow, wow, row. Actually, now I will say something. Wait. O-W, ow. If it is wa, we don't say qua. We said cow. So, read as I am reading. Ow, cow. Wa, wow. Wow, row. Wow, low. Now you see, both in this column all end sounds are O and W, but according to the consonant the sounds are changing. We never says low, row, wow. We says low, row, wow, cow. So O is making same sound, but with W it is making different sound for different consonant. So read as I have written: ka, ow, cow, wa, wow, r, o, ro, l, o, lo. ठीक है. Now come to the last column and I will take a different color. Which color? Yellow I am taking. P, odd, pod, r, odd, rod, k, odd, cod, n, odd, nod. Now this is your O sounds letter. As we have read A, E, I, now O sounds. Now you have to read as I have read. Now children, we will go to the next portion. Can you see? It is written, trace the given words with similar sound. Yes. Where is the similar sound? I am showing you. See, OX, ox. Similar sound means we have to listen to the last two sound. And as it is O vowel sound words, all sounds there will be O will be there. Okay? OX, ox. The sound, last sound is ox. The first word is b, ox, box. The next word is ox, ox. Ox, fox. K, ox, cox. Now, you don't have only read it. You don't have to read it only. You have to trace also. Box is written, box is given. You have to trace ox, 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 fox, ka, ox, cox. And while tracing, just repeat the word again and again. Now, next word. Ob, r, ob, rub, ob, sob, ob, job, ob, bob. Now the next word, blue. I will take oi, o, d or do, a, h or ho, t or to or fo. Do, ho, to, fo. Yes, it is a little bit different sound होता है बच्चा, पर आपको ये sound याद रखना है. कैसे? यहाँ पे ओ ई, पहली बात है ओ एंड ई बोथ आर वावल्स. सो यहाँ पे ऑक्स, ऑब, ऑड ऐसा साउंड नहीं आएगा. साउंड विल बी अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट. सो ओ, ड और ड, ह और ह, ट और टो, फ और फो, 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 to, ho, do. Again, do, ho, to, fo. This is a different because there are two sounds, both are vowel. Okay. Now come to the next word. This column was difficult. That's why you have to read again and again, because the whatever we discuss, whenever we discuss vowel sound, one vowel one consonant sound. End sound ऐसे ही होता है ना, ab, an, in, ऐसे किया ना. पर फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर सेइंग इन ओ दो vowel sound आ रहा है end में. That's why it is a different. So that's why the sound is different. That's why it's do, ho, to, fo. Okay children, now come to this column. Ok, O and C sounds ka sound, K sounds ka, बोथ मिला के हो जाता है क. सो ओ क, ok, 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 ok. L ok, lock. M ok, mock. R ok, rock. F ok, frock. Now in frog, F sound, R sounds, R. This two with combined O, it sound frog and k, frog. Children, now you can understand we are going from 3-letter words to 4 and sometimes 5-letter words. So now you have to read more, practice more. So children, I want you read these words regularly, and when you trace all these words, you while tracing say and trace, say and trace. Okay, so what happened, if the words will print in your mind. Okay, and if once it will print in your mind, no one can rub it, कोई निकाल नहीं सकता. Understood? So practice and practice. Practice makes you perfect. Understood? Now till then, bye. Take care. Practice your O vowel words.